store-bought Napoleons, cut it into 3.
So you just buy store-bought puff pastry,
puff
right?
Pastry,
puff
yeah.
pastry.
Puff pastry.
Great.
You're helping me out here.
Great.
Stick these in the oven, right? I'm gonna grab the finished ones over here. These are our swaps out, right? So now we got whipped cream. You could do whipped cream. We're gonna add a little bit of jam to that.
To the whipped cream itself,
right? To the whipped cream itself. And what's great about this here is if you want to use whipped cream, you want to use pastry cream, you want to use, you know, vanilla instant pudding at home and add a little bit of jam to it. You can do anything you want.
Even mascarpone, right?
You could use mascarpone as well. So what we're going to do here is there a little spoon here?
In the drawer, buddy.
I'm using, look at me, Rachel. I'm using a whisk.
You're using the whisk. What are you doing?
I'm using a whisk here. I improvise, Rachel. You know the way I am. All right, so let's spoon a little bit on, and then we're gonna put some of the fresh strawberries inside, and we're gonna make like a sandwich. Now,
sandwich.
We're gonna make a sandwich over here, right?
Right.
And then we're gonna put another dollop on top of the whipped cream. Look at that, don't that look good? Just have fun with it.
It does.
Do a little bit more. And Rachel, if you want to whip your own whipped cream, or if you want to buy
I whip my own whipped cream all the time.
Whatever you want.
Takes 2 seconds.
A little bit of powdered sugar, and bada bing. That's how it's done.